Rendons-nous sur la glace avec notre hôtesse Kimberly. Here's Kimberly for tonight's first intermission entertainment.
It's almost time for the SO on the Run race to win. We're here tonight with 3 contestants, each of them paired with a professional driver from RC Ottawa. We have Zach Hogg, who is going to be cheering for the black car. We have Johnny Matt, who is cheering for the white car. And we have Jada, who is cheering for the red car. So tonight, the cars are racing to find out who will win $100 in free gas courtesy of SO. The cars will make 2 laps around our course, and the first one to finish will win $100 for one lucky fan as well, courtesy of SO and On the Run convenience stores. So are you guys ready? On your marks, get set, go! The cars for tonight's race are generously provided by Proline Racing. And once again, our drivers tonight are from RC Ottawa. You can visit them on the web at rcottawa.com. Contestant wins $100 in gift cards from SO, which you can use for free gas, car washes, or snacks at SO or On the Run convenience stores. And we've got a great prize pack for all of our contestants tonight. Congratulations. SO and On the Run convenience stores, where one stop gets you everything you need for little on the road.